Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to open up and disassemble this Lenovo. Let's see if there's a model here. Flex 7i, okay. The full actual model number is on the bottom here. So it's a Lenovo Flex 7 14IRU8, okay. So the model number is right there. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all the screws from the bottom. We're going to need a T5 or Torx 5 screwdriver to remove those screws. Alright, you want to keep the screws in order because they can be different size, shape, and lengths. The way you do that is you put them flat side down like this on your desk or whatever work surface in the pattern you remove them, okay? So we got 3 towards the back here, okay? 1 on either side here, and then 4 towards the front. Okay, if this video helps you out, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helps you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, if you can't help out that way, it would help a lot if you could watch a few of my other videos and then like and comment on those as well, because that's what the algorithm likes to see. I also have another channel called It's Been Reviewed and More. Same profile picture, but zoomed in. Alright, the screws on the front here are shorter than the other ones, so if you do happen to mix them up, yeah, just remember that the 4 short screws go towards the front opening portion of the laptop. Okay, so this laptop right now isn't powering on at all. Nothing's happening. The customer doesn't know what happened to it. They said that they have a couple kids that might have done something, but none of them admitted to anything. So let's go ahead and open up and see if we see anything obvious. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my fingernails in between the gap between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and then I'm gonna push with my thumb here. Okay, you can see the clips pop out. We're gonna do the same on this side. You don't want to push on the palm rest because you don't want to push that out. Oreo, stop digging into your bed. Okay, anyways, once you get those clips out, oops, I accidentally clipped it back down. Okay, once you get those clips out, we're going to go under like this. Okay, I'm going to push down with my thumb here and then pull up with my other fingers and then slide my fingernail along the side. Obviously, you can use pry tools, but I find this works best. Okay, we're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, you can see how easily it popped out. You can go all the way to the outer edge. And now we only have this back portion. We're going to pull up and do the same thing. Just slide your fingernail or a pry tool along. And that's what the inside looks like. Uh-oh, I think I already see. Okay, it's not liquid damage, but okay, here you can see this. Okay, when I opened it, this is what I saw. Okay, I'm gonna ask them to bring it to Costco because Costco, they told them the warranty was void because of, you see this little dent there in here? There's no way that caused this damage. You see this? Look at that. That thing got toasted, fried, and I don't think that's going to be worth repairing, like if we're repairing the board itself. Okay, it looks like the tape also got some damage there. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show what's inside here. I'm not going to mess around with it. There's an I/O cable here for this input output, the 2 USB 3.0 ports, SD card slot, and the power button here. Okay. Then we got, this is the LCD LVDS connector. If you're going to mess with this, make sure that you disconnect the battery and then open up the laptop and press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds before you mess with this. Okay, there's another cable here, which is possibly for the webcam and microphones, maybe also for the touchscreen. Okay. CPU is underneath here, the heatsink, it's soldered to the motherboard. If you take these 3 screws out and move this, you do need to redo the thermal paste, so keep that in mind. Alright, you got the fan here, 3 screws, and the fan connector is right there. Battery connector's right here. Usually this kind of connector I can't pull out without disconnecting or without lifting the battery first. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's only 3 screws holding the battery in. Once you undo those screws, you can lift up the battery slightly, and then usually what I'll do is I'll get my finger underneath the cable, get another one on top, and I'll just like wiggle it side to side as I pull, and that will pop that battery connector out. Battery model number is here, L21M3PE2. Okay, you got the keyboard backlight cable connector here. There's a flip latch, you flip that, and then you can pull that out. This is for the I/O board cable. Keyboard connector is here. That one, you flip this latch and then you can pull that out. There's two connectors here. This one says T-pad 1, so this is for the touchpad, trackpad, and then this is FP1, so this is for the fingerprint reader. Wireless antennas here. If you want to remove them, you go from the tail and pull those up, and that will remove those. Okay. Honestly, I don't know if that can be caused by liquid damage. I kind of doubt it. I'm wondering, though, because there's this white film stuff on there. That's usually going to be from like liquid, but it could also be from this stuff burning and putting off smoke. So I don't want to mess with that. I do see like some damage here and there. So yeah, all right, you got the speaker connector here. You grab that, the wings, wiggle and pull it out. That speaker's connected to the other speaker with a wire here, the red and black ones. I don't know if you can see it right there going along, right? This is one of the wireless antennas and this is the other. You can see the white wire going underneath, and then the other one has the black wire here going underneath to the wireless card there. M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. It looks like they're using one of the shorter ones. If you want to use a full-sized 80mm one, undo this whole thing, take this metal plate off and throw that away, and then you'll just reuse the one screw to hold the new SSD in place. All right, and I think that's about it. Okay, yeah. I need to get a close-up here for the customer here because this is the only part that's damaged. So I'm going to send them pictures of this, and then they can show it to Costco and see what Costco has to say about that, because yeah, there's no way that's caused by whatever that dent is. So, and that's silly because people carry this stuff all around in their life. It's gonna get marked up outside. That shouldn't cause that kind of damage. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and get this back on. So just line everything back up. You can go ahead and push these clips back down. Okay, so just go like that, make sure it all clips in. Work your way around. Okay, push that in. It helps to push down and into the center at the same time. Okay, so we'll do that. All right, and make sure all the clips look good. They look good. All right, so I mean that dent you can even easily get just by like doing that. So it's not like a crazy dent or anything. It's just barely. So the fact that they said the warranty is void from just that, that's crazy. They should at least open it and take a look. And now Costco's probably going to be like, your warranty is void because you opened the bottom cover or something, which in California, that's not even allowed. You can't void warranties for opening the bottom cover. Oh, also, if you're wondering, there's no replaceable RAM. Okay. As far as I know, in California, they're not allowed to void warranties, based on just you removing the bottom cover. They'd have to be able to prove that you did something to the computer that caused it to get damaged in that way. Anyways, again, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade or repair their device as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Again, if you can't help out that way, it would help a lot if you could watch a few of my other videos and then like and comment on those as well, because that's what the algorithm likes to see. I also have another channel called It's Been Reviewed and More. Again, same profile picture but zoomed in. If you could watch a few of those videos and then like, comment, and subscribe as well, that'll help a lot. Again, if I didn't mention, there's no upgradable RAM on here. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this. So again, hopefully it helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. All right, let's drop this. Bye.